Right, hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and a first test of this new microphone I'm going to be trying on my camera. And it's the Comica Professional Audio Directional Condenser Shotgun Video Microphone. CVM-V30 is the model number for those playing along at home. CVM-V30. We'll do a quick unboxing and go outside. It's a bit windy out there, so we can test the wind muff, or whatever it's called. It's called wind muff, to test it out outside. And according to the box here, you can use it in a room with a table, point it at a bloke running, or you can point it at a woman in a sea with a horse. I think on the back, just a few features it does there. And there we go, for those playing along at home, it's a CVM-V30. Let's do a quick unboxing. Now I would have recorded this video earlier on in the week, but I was waiting for something to arrive from Amazon. It's coming from another seller through Amazon, so it took ages to arrive. And what I was waiting for was this bloody thing. That's a shoe adapter for my camera. It was 12 bloody quid for this piece of metal. I know I could have got it cheaper elsewhere, probably cheap on eBay, but I thought I'll order it all in one go. It'll come in a few days. The microphone turned up last Sunday and this turned up Friday, so thank you Fred for posting it. And in the box we've got the instruction manual. But that was the right way. There's a instruction manual, so I'm not going to read, no point in that. And we have my box, which has got this furry thing, black furry thing. This is the video muff apparently. Insert here. Okay, it says insert there, so the the microphone goes in there. And this is the microphone itself. There we go, Comica CVM-V30 microphone. It just plugs in to the camera's 3.5mm audio jack. It runs, I think, off AAA batteries. I'll do that now. It runs off AAA batteries. And here we go. We've got a few settings there. So I-R, what that is, and the -10 dB setting on off. And that's where it connects to the shoe adapter for the camera. So I'm going to go and set it up outside, and then we'll see if this microphone's any good. This is about £30 odd delivered from Amazon. Catch you in a sec. Right, it's on the +10 dB setting now, and on the R. So on the +R, whatever setting that does, I will have to read the instructions. Hopefully it sounded a bit better, but again there is no wind muff connected, and it's still very windy out here, according to the meter. Use this to see how windy it is when I go drone flying. So I'll put it in the -R position, or the minus position, with the 10 dB on, and see if it makes a difference. I'll catch you in a sec. Right, it's on the plus dB setting now, so 10 dB. It should be an audio gain, and it's still on the minus setting, so hopefully the audio sounds alright. Again, there's no wind muff. Let's change the settings and do another audio comparison. Catch you in a sec. Right, it's quite windy out here now, and it's on the 10 dB setting, and the wind muff's on, so hopefully it's going to cut some of the wind out. How windy is it? We're on kilometres an hour on the meter. There you go, look, it's quite windy. There you go. It's quite windy out here, so hopefully it's cutting some of the wind out. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers and beers. Bye bye bye.